Good morning, everybody. It is 7 a.m. and I'm getting my day started. And this is the second time doing this voiceover, so I apologize for the video delay. But it was a beautifully sunny day today. And I'm waiting for the bus on this day. And I got to tell you, that sun was bright. I had to wear my shades out there on that porch, but it was very, very relaxing. And I had such a great morning, my coffee and just enjoying the nice breeze outside and the birds. So I just got back from Walmart and I had to get the usuals. So I got the multigrain bread. This is my favorite from Walmart, as well as the sub rolls because I'm going to be making some steak-'em sandwiches. And I got these pita breads because I'm going to be making some egg salad. I also got some breadcrumbs, some Prego spaghetti sauce, and a couple things of seasoning that I needed. You'll see me use one later in the video. And my go-to lasagna noodles. If you have not tried those, give those a whirl. They're amazing. I also bought Bella a baby. I could not resist. And a new water bowl. She'll be in June. And I had to get some household products. And you guys know I cannot help myself when it comes to buying wax melts. I probably didn't need any new ones, but these were the summer scents and they were amazing. Some new trash bags. They're just a great value brand. Got some Mr. Clean floor cleaner. Some Gain crystals, which are my favorite. Some Pledge all-purpose cleaner, and of course some dish soap. Fiesta blend cheese is my go-to. Some boneless, skinless chicken breast, some sour cream. And I've been buying these immunity boosters. They're just like little shots. And they have turmeric in them. They're pretty good. My husband's favorite, which are the biscuits, some Swiss cheese, Cool Whip, cottage cheese, and a half a gallon of whole milk. Now it's time to fix some lunch. And I'm putting in a little bit of grapeseed oil, my boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I'm going to use one of my new seasonings today. I really like it. It makes chicken taste really, really good. And all I do is pretty much brown the chicken on both sides and just make sure that it's well seasoned. Here I am turning the chicken and, yep, hear that sizzle? Now I'm going to cut it all up on my chopping board. I love this board. It's great big and it came from IKEA. And I'm making up a Buffalo Ranch salad kit from Aldi, and that is how we're having lunch. Something very light, and it was very filling. Now I'm trying something new today. I'm going to dissolve a Tide Pod and some Gain crystals in a regular mop bucket with some hot boiling water. And after it dissolves, I just add hot water from the tap. And I'm going to use my O-Cedar spin mop. I didn't put the solution into my spin mop because I was afraid it would melt it because it was very hot. Now I'm mopping my floors, I mopped my bathroom, I mopped my kitchen. If you have not tried this hack of a Tide Pod and some Gain, you don't know what you're missing because my house smelled amazing. And I have to say it cleaned really well also. Now I'm going to do a quick mop in my dining room. I have some company coming over, so I wanted to make sure that I got underneath the kitchen table. And I bought a new baby gift because I'm going to a baby shower, and I wanted to share this with you guys. This is the cutest thing ever. Ronnie absolutely loved it. I had to play it several times for him because, if you don't know, my husband is blind, so anything that plays music and is loud, he loves it. But I think this was a really good find. It plays peekaboo with your baby. It is super soft, super cute, and I can't wait to attend the shower this week. So basically, I put it in the bag, I got my tissue paper in there, and I made out the card. And so now I'm ready to go to the party this week. Can you believe that it is dinner time? Well, it's dinner time, and I'm going to make steakums. And if you have never made steakums before, it's basically thinly cut meat that is separated by like parchment paper. So if you are a single person and you just want a nice steakum sandwich, you can pull out 2 or 3 slices of the meat and quickly make yourself a sandwich. But since I am cooking for more than 2, I put the meat in the skillet with a little bit of vegetable oil. The trick is to make sure that you continually flip it so that your underneath meat does not get done before what's on top. Now we're going to do seasoned fries, and I'm putting it on my silicone mat, which I absolutely love. I'm adding some onion, some garlic, and a little tiny bit of a McCormick Cajun seasoning that I had bought that I was using up, just to give the meat just a little bit of a spicy. And then once I get that all good and mixed up, I just turn it on low and cover with a piece of foil. Here are the steakum sandwiches all done. And my fries. The fries came from Aldi. This was super delicious. This was the end of my day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you are new, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye, guys.